Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'll be explaining how to set up different class teachers, how to assign classes to your various teachers. So I'll click on the class teachers icon here. So to assign a class to a teacher, you click on add class teacher. So I'll select a class. In this case, I would say GS3A. Then I'll select the teacher. Let's say Olumide. For a teacher to show here, it means a profile has already been created for the teacher under staffs. So that's why you have teacher showing here. So you need to have created a profile for the teacher already. So you choose signature and then you click on submit. So as you can see, it says record inserted. That's how to assign classes to various teachers. Thanks for watching.